Hold there. Anybody want no chump go on him. If him not take we off of the list, yeah, we a go behind him a morning. You know much yard me know enough for him to make life off of farming. Plus enough criminal me see you let out, so Jamaica need pardon. As a matter of fact, make me call him. Hold there.
What's up, Peter?
Yo, Chump, you hear me? You don't really want me call St. Mary. I know the science what them teach in a school. I the one who make Asians fear we. Yo, Chump, you need for sure more manners. Or we a go call the gozo man a St. Thomas. Better not make me call on my friend them a 80. That time, who know what I go hate with. Yo, Chump, me not like how you go on. How a gozo will make your it scratch like your name Sean Stam. Nobody think say a joke. Gozo dead on a yard will make you mail like goat. Yo, Chump. If you know what me know, do the right thing. Now make me get the parchment paper and start writing. You see your son one named Dan Jr. Remember say I know everybody like him. So take your warning. If you not take we off for the list, yeah, we a go over here morning. You know much yard me know make life in a foreign half a farming.